Like you, I got a Galaxy Note 10 Plus on August 21st, and this came in the box with it. I got some Galaxy Buds and I got a Galaxy Fit, and I'm strapped up and ready to go. So these are Bluetooth wireless earbuds. You know my favorites are the Sony. So these are set to pair easily with your device, just like the AirPods. So I got my Galaxy Note 10 Plus right there, and here they are. I actually already have accessories for it too, so we'll get into that in another video. But here is probably just charging. Yeah, this is more tips and a Type-C, more than likely. Yeah, so Type-C and more tips. Don't really need to mess with that, and I probably would just keep the tips that are on there. I might need to adjust the tips. In most cases, I've never had to adjust the tips. So here are the buds. This is a very small box, man. I didn't think that the box would be this small. Oh, that's cool. And here they are. You got a little bit of Samsung branding, and it's a nice little charging case in it, Type-C. So when you open it up, these should start to recognize my device and pair automatically, and there it is. So let's connect. I like this. Setting up my phone. Boom, 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 and boom, they're connected already. You saw my Bluetooth change over. I'm actually headed to the gym, so I will test these out for sure. We're gonna agree, and there it is, man. There it is. I'll leave this like this for now. Boom. Okay, so it tells you how to control them, because I have no hands-on time with the buds. Use touchpad. Okay, so on the side of these is a little touch one, and this shows you how to do it. You can double tap and things like that, triple tap, long press. That's it. I'm gonna put these in my ears and turn on the sound. Yeah, that's all I want to do. So if you want to pair them with something else, it looks like you put them both in and long press them both at the same time, and then it'll go over to something else. So charging your buds, it gives you a little walkthrough right there. Battery levels, it lets you know that these are at the higher level, 60 to 100, and that's it, man. That's pretty sweet. So I'm gonna give these a run through to see how I like them. I just hit finish, and it says I'm all set, and here they are. Pretty sweet. So you've got different settings here for the buds. I think this is pretty sweet. So I'm at 100% on both. That's pretty tight right there. You got notifications, you got the touchpad, and that's pretty much it, man. So I'm gonna definitely test these out and see how I like them. Just wanted to unbox them and show you this is what's gonna happen when you actually. Let me put one of these in just to tell you how they feel real quick. Oh, it's a little sound. It's a little sound. Yeah, they feel good, man. They feel really good. I like this case. It's a very lightweight case. I'll charge this case up for sure. But they definitely sound really good, man. They sound good. They're lightweight. They actually fit in the ear very well. I'm surprised at how well these fit in my ear. I'm surprised. I like these, man. They feel good. They feel good. I won't use any of the touch controls more than likely, because when I use Bluetooth, I just use them for the music or whatever I'm doing. So, wow, man, it dropped 5% just that quick. I didn't even do anything. I didn't even turn on any music. Maybe it wasn't reading them right initially. I don't know. But anyway, man, there they are. The Galaxy Buds. Got these free with the Galaxy Note 10, which I hold in my hand. Hope you guys are enjoying your Galaxy Buds, and I'll give you a follow-up later. I'm literally on my way out the door to the gym, and I said, oh, snap, I got Galaxy Buds. So, using my Galaxy Note 10 Plus, these are going with me, along with the Galaxy Fit, and we're going to get our training on for tonight. It's your man, Jay. Hope you guys enjoyed the unboxing, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.